What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be doing the same thing we do in every other video, with a little twist.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. We're about to do a full color change on the exterior, interior. They getting stars, headliner, suede, everything. So we're gonna be doing a full light interior in red. Star, 550 stars, suede headliner with the red interior, which is gonna be crazy. Got the full interior. It's all taken apart. Now you better wrap this joint. You get a new fender, new suspension, as far as the control arms and stuff like that. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Better knock this thing out. And I think they're getting some rims painted. But we're gonna see about that. So let's get it.
Make sure y'all get the exhaust on these bitches really good. It gets dirty down here. All the flames that the Tesla like to see, no good.
guys, it's Kai Cenat here, and I'm depressed, and I have so much money. I can do whatever I want in the world, but I'm depressed. I bought my mom a house, and I did all this, and I'm still depressed.
Yo.
Don't make fun of me, guys. Niggas out here really broke as shit.
Alright YouTube, we've been doing some stuff off camera just because we're in a time crunch trying to get this thing done before Christmas. But so far we took the whole interior out, disassembled it. We did the first coat of dye on majority of the panels. We still have to do the bottom of the front seat on the driver's side, and then the full passenger side seat and the back plates on those two. Headrest. Yeah, and we only have 2 headrests left that we need to do. Alright, these are some of the panels we did so far, and they're all white. As you can see, this is the first base coat, and we're going to throw in some color at it next. Probably going to start the red tomorrow. We're just trying to finish up on the white for some of these other seats. We got to do this bottom seat right here, and yeah, so far so good. It's definitely time consuming. Making sure it's the right temperature, the right ventilation, and all that good stuff. But as you can see, so far it is turning out pretty crazy with the full white interior so far, and the base coat is talk insanity. Alright chat, about to do some coats of red on the first pieces, so let's get into it. Alright guys, we finished majority of the panels. We just have to do the last top coat on the back rear seat, but these things turned out crazy. This Tesla is going nuts on this full transformation on the inside and out with the full wrap, full color, custom interior, and we also did the starlights, which we will show you in the pillars and the headliner, and they got that full wrap ceramic coat, everything. We had to do a lot of stuff off camera, but as you guys can see, we got the Tesla completely done. Full wrap, ceramic coating, stars with suede headliner, black wheels, and we did the red interior. I'm super excited to show you guys this. It turned out amazing, and here it is.